Tinkerbell?
Better.
It's even better?
Oh, I'm going to get it.
Oh yeah, we got a present. Are you excited?
Look at this is for the DS.
Okay. Oh, that's great. Actually, that. Yeah. Okay. So we got one more present. Okay. Are you ready? You have to be very quiet. Sit down on the couch and wait for the present. Uh-oh. Okay. No, we can't. We can't. You know why? He's a boy, and he already had a name.
His name was Magic.
His name is Magic.
Magic?
Magic.
Oh,
Do you like him?
yeah.
Is he cute?
You see why you can't come in my room?
He's been in Christy's room for 2 days. 3 days.
At least we have a new kitten now.
We do. Are you excited?
Yep.
He's cuddly too.
He's
And playful.
He's been sleeping with her for 3 days.
He's very playful.
How old is
He rolls on his back and you play with
He
his
is
belly.
8 weeks and
How old is he?
he's 8 weeks and 2 days.
8 weeks. 8 weeks and 2 days.
He's tiny, way tinier than Princess.
Hey.
I don't think
Hey,
Princess
stop.
can fit there.
Oh, there he goes. Are you excited?
Oh, I got 3 cases.
That's the one that was on the phone.
Nice.
Do you want to hold him?
Get it down because you had to take the one off.
You want to hold him, Marty? Are you looking for...
Come here. Jump.
Turn around, let me see you.
Oh, he wants to jump off.
Oh, he's so cute. No, you guys put them all down. Give them to me. No? Can you get them? Ah!
Watch where he goes because we can't lose them.
Into small places.